So the Blackview Rock 5 versus the RugOne Xever 8, which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to find out by comparing the specs of both devices. The Xever 8 is currently not available, but it would most likely launch before the end of the month, while the Blackview Rock 5 is already available on AliExpress for about $449. Anyway, let's compare the specs of both devices. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys. Unfortunately, I do not have the official specs with me yet because they are not unveiled yet, but we'll get the official specs of both devices very soon, especially when it's getting closer to their release date, which we do not know currently. But as I said earlier, the devices will launch this year, perhaps in June. What do you think about these leaked specs of both devices? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.